My name is Calvin Horner. I work in the aquaculture department under the Seychelles Fisheries Authority in the Seychelles, and my role is an aquaculture technician.
Hi, I'm Alex Garcia from Quezon Province. I work in the Provincial Government of Quezon Province. I am currently the Assistant Provincial Agriculturist.
I joined this training course in sandfish because sandfish is a high-value species in my country, and the sea cucumber wild stocks is under pressure. As part of the aquaculture department and the Seychelles Fisheries Authority, I saw it as a crucial opportunity to see what other countries are doing to successfully farm these species of sandfish, in return to help support the conservation and eventually the commercial interest for this back in my country.
I joined this training to support our goal of promoting high-value aquaculture such as sandfish farming. This initiative is a much-needed alternative for capture fishing, which is still predominantly the major source of livelihood for majority of our fishing communities. Quezon Province has a tremendous potential in aquaculture with a coastline length of 1,066 kilometers and abundant sources of brackish and freshwater resources. We are in a strong position to diversify and expand our aquaculture practices.
A key learning was to actually see that even the smaller size broodstock can successfully spawn. So this changes our approach on selection, and I also gained a very important practical knowledge on the feeding protocols and system requirements needed for these fish at the different life cycles, which is very crucial for their survival and growth.
Among the many technical skills and concepts I learned from the training, the most valuable for me was learning about the practicability and phasing out, introducing sandfish culture into the community. What made this particularly impactful was having a chance to experience an actual demo by SEAFDEC in the local community. I think this would be very valuable for us when we try to implement this project in Quezon Province.
We plan to implement the strategies that SEAFDEC has introduced to us, especially the spawning protocols. Furthermore, with the feeding protocols, where we can actually take back and give growth trials, as well with the hatchery practices that we can implement right away and be more successful with our sandfish culture in aquaculture.
Our strategic entry point for sandfish culture is to establish a demonstration site for sandfish in Quezon Province. So this demonstration site will showcase key aspects such as nursery operations, grow-out systems, product development, and market linkage.
In terms of aquaculture, this training can help our country, as it's our national goal in sustainable fisheries management to reduce the stocks right now on the wild-caught sea cucumbers. So this will give us a different alternative, a different method on how to divert ourselves from just fisheries alone. And in return, this could actually help divert local sea cucumber fishermen into aquaculture. And in return, it'll give more economic opportunities and furthermore, just a long-term sustainable approach.
This training will significantly contribute to the success of aquaculture initiative in Quezon Province. The concepts and skills I learned during the sandfish hatchery training can be applied to a wide range of other aquaculture products and commodities. So this will be effective in operating successfully also those hatcheries. Also, I realized in this training the importance of demonstration farms, grow-out farms, in order to fully demonstrate full cycles of aquaculture operation, which are also vital in encouraging our fisher folks to adopt technologies.
SEAFDEC was amazing host as a training center here in the Philippines. It's hard to say only one part was interesting. From day one all the way to the 3 weeks that my team and I were here, the entire training was very informative from start to finish. The lectures were very interesting. The hands-on practicals really helped me understand the whole process of things. But the highlight of the training would have to be visiting the IMS station in Guimaras, where you could see the grow out, the nursery and grow out. And this really put the whole thing into perspective for the last few days. I believe that's something that is very new, especially from where I am in the world, and it was something to see. Thank you.
Thank you very much.